Hello everyone, I am Vishnu Regmi. In this video, I am going to walk through a specific set of chemistry elements whose chemical symbols do not match with their English name. Let's look at this excerpt from the Library of Congress. Let me read for you. There are elements represented in the periodic table by letters not in line with their names, and these are sodium, potassium, iron, copper, silver, tin, antimony, tungsten, gold, mercury, and lead. Nearly all of these elements were known in ancient times and therefore carry over their Latin names. Now, to make these elements easier to recall, I have created a simple sentence, and this is: some people in Chicago sell tiny antiques to generate more lead. Or we can also go with some people in China, some people in Chennai, some people in Chiton, some people in Cuba. Note that the first letter of each word corresponds directly the first letter of the English name of the element in the exact order shown earlier or below. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more chemistry tips. See you in the next video.